Have you ever wondered why some of us start to pile on the weight after we turn 40 and why it can seem so difficult to lose it? If so, stick around, as today I'm going to share one of the main hormonal reasons why this may be happening for you and how to fix it. I'm Maryanne Loving, Doctor of Chinese Medicine, and you're watching Loving Your Health, where we chat all things women's health, hormones, fertility, and menopause. So let's get started. Estrogen plays an important role in regulating metabolism and fat distribution. As our levels naturally start to decline around the age of 40, our bodies may start storing more fat, especially around the abdomen. This might sound really unfair, and look, it probably is. However, our bodies are incredibly intelligent, and there is a reason for this. Fat cells can make estrogen, and in fact, once we reach menopause and the ovaries stop producing estrogen in significant amounts, this job converts to the adrenals and the fat cells to make smaller amounts of estrogen post-menopause. So if your adrenal glands are already under a lot of stress and pressure, for example, a busy job, family, kids, or other emotional, financial, or physical stresses, then your body may start to make more fat cells to support declining estrogen levels, rather than put even more pressure on the already overworked and stressed adrenals. This is why stress management is so important for women over the age of 40, and why supporting the adrenal glands and nervous system is vital to help support hormones and your weight as you transition through perimenopause and beyond. You can visit my video above if you would like to learn some simple yet effective stress management strategies. Or even better, go and get yourself some acupuncture. If you're getting value out of this content, please give this video a like, and don't forget to put in the comments below if you have any questions at all about hormones or perimenopause. Weight loss over 40 can be a complex issue, and you can't support hormone balance and manage weight unless you're getting good quality and adequate amounts of sleep. So if you would like to learn more about weight management over 40, you can visit my video to follow, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.